And we are not secretive, we are working on open ground. We are calling people and telling them about Sangha. This is politics. So I don't need to respond.
The 100-year-old organization, they would have kept the paper somewhere. They would have kept it in Jagannath Bhavan, Keshav Krupa, or some Sarsanchalak's house. 100 years old organization, कागज कहीं तो रखा होगा. You only tell me, so many times you would have misplaced your bank document, something, no, in the house. एक महीने पहला जो मिला होगा. 100 साल का इतिहास है देशभक्तों का. आज या कल तो निकालेंगे. No, as long as they have not lost my letter, I'm okay. We'll send reminder. See, as a Home Minister, it is my responsibility to ensure that there is natural principle of justice, a principle of natural justice, correct? I have to ensure that I give people adequate time to respond. I can't be in a hurry. So it's been only a week, 10 days. We'll send one more reminder, If they don't respond, we know what to do. There is a law in the country, right? And I am supposed to uphold that law in my state. I will uphold it. Jaldi kya hai? Or instead of asking me, you should ask all these Sarsanchalaks and these other people. How is it that their statement about Pakistan, about the economy of country, about the Prime Minister comes in the press? You should go ask Mr. Mohan Bhagwat ji. Priyank is asking like this. You should go ask Mr. Hosbale. You should go ask Mr. B.L. Santosh. These people seem to have an opinion about everything, on every policy. But when it comes to showing their papers, they are cowards. They are supposed to be the most nationalistic organization ever in the history of the country. Is this their nationalism? Hiding their registration papers, hiding their income tax, hiding their source of funds. ये कौन सा देशभक्ति है हुआ? Doesn't the central government give you a congratulatory certificate for filing the income tax? Advance income tax रहने दीजिए or something, being good citizens. Thank you. They give you a certificate thanking you. Has RSS got even one certificate like that? Are they even existing is what I want to know. So they will give, today or tomorrow they will give. Sir, show me the word scam in the audit report. Yeah, it's the BJP. Why should I respond to BJP? I'll respond to the Auditor General. But if they are so keen about the AG reports, first let them report on the Skill India program. No? हजारों करोड़ का घपला हुआ है करके उन्होंने बताया है. If they are so concerned, they should look at the reports, audited reports of the NTA also.
Sir, NCERT Classics Kannada textbook has been accused of being mythology content heavy. It's been named Krishna also. How do you respond to that, sir?
Yeah, I'm not sure about the entire content, but as far as I know, we have never shied away from our mythology or Puranas, but not at the cost of scientific temper. All right, there's always been a very healthy balance of our history, of our mythology, of our culture, always, and also spiritualism in our textbooks. But we have never, Karnataka government has never compromised on scientific temperament. And I don't think so that they have done that. But like I said, I'm not fully aware of what is there in the textbook. I'll ensure that the concerned officers have a look at it.